Welcome back to yet another video from Trading. In today's video, I focus mainly on the novice traders who are not yet profitable. However, if you're already a profitable trader and you want to expand your knowledge, you can of course also watch this video. This is because in this video, I take you through one of the most important strategies you need to know as a trader, namely the support and resistance trading strategy. The most successful traders in the world all trade with support and resistance. But novice traders don't always seem to want to learn it. That's why I'm helping you out today. Trading on support and resistance is still perceived as difficult by beginners, but actually, it's quite simple. You just need to figure out how it works. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to find support and resistance, how to trade on support and resistance, and how to earn a full-time income with this. As the title indicates, you can easily turn $100 into $10,000 with this strategy. I take you through the process step by step, so I recommend you watch the entire video carefully. With that said, let's quickly get started on the video. This support and resistance strategy video is broken down into 3 different pieces. First, we'll start with the trend. This is because it's important that you as a trader always trade with the trend. This is one of the most important things while trading. So before we can start looking for support or resistance, it's important to know whether the asset you're going to trade is moving in an upward or a downward trend. We can easily characterize the trend by adding the smoothed moving average indicator to the price. So we fill in smoothed moving average and add this indicator one time. Once you have added the indicator, go to the settings of the indicator and fill in 20 at length, and at chart, we choose the 4 hours chart. This means that it uses the data of the 4 hours price chart. As you can see, the indicator now moves far away from the price. You will often have to zoom out, but not always. We trade this strategy ourselves on the 15 minutes price chart. This means that each candle lasts 15 minutes. Because we execute this strategy on the 15 minutes price chart, at first you'll be able to analyze the strategy next to your work or your study. The goal is, of course, to eventually work on this strategy full time. Good. Once you have added the indicator, you'll see that there is a line moving above or below the price. With this, we can easily see in which trend the price is moving. If the price is moving below the smoothed moving average, then the price is in a falling market. And if the price moves above the smoothed moving average, then the price is in a rising market. The first rule to remember well is that in a falling market, you always open only selling positions, and in a rising market, you always open only buying positions. Let's start with a rising market. We will now look for support levels. Support levels are in fact points on the price from which the price can start to rise again. We know by looking at the smoothed moving average that the price is now moving in an upward trend. If we can now also find a support level, we can anticipate from that point on a further upward movement. We can easily find a support level by looking at the bottoms of the price. Open the chart and mark every bottom of the price. A bottom is only confirmed if the price rose up again after this bottom. So here, we can find one support level. Once you have drawn the support levels, then wait patiently and see if the price lands on one of the support levels. As we can see, the price has now landed on our support level. Before we place a buy position, we first want to make sure that the price is moving above the smoothed moving average. This is still the case. So, we can now place a buy position. We open our position and set our stop loss now below this support level, and we set our take profit target 3 times higher. Then we wait and see if the position closes in profit or loss. As you can see, this is a profitable position. We have now reached a take profit target of 3. This means that you have now made back 3 times your investment. Suppose you risked $100 on this position. You now had $400 back. Or, in other words, $300 pure profit. Of course, as I just explained, we can also execute this support and resistance strategy in a downtrend. If you want to start trading this strategy in cryptocurrencies, you know that there are often periods when the prices rise hard, but there are also periods when the prices fall hard. So, for this strategy, it doesn't matter what the prices do. You can make money when the market is rising, but also when the market's falling. This strategy actually works in a downward trend just the other way around. Now we first want to make sure that we are moving in a downward trend. We verify this by looking at the smoothed moving average. Next, we draw out our resistance levels. These are now areas on the price where the price made a downward reversal. So now we draw out our resistance over all the tops. A resistance is only valid when a decline has come after that. Once we have drawn out all resistance levels, we will wait for a rise back up to one of our resistances. As you can see, the price has now risen back to our level. So we can now open a sell position here from the first or second red candle. Next, we now place our stop loss above this resistance level and we place our take profit target 3 times lower. Let's now look at how this selling position is proceeding. As you can see, this sell position quickly closed in profit. Again, you have now made $300 when you risked only $100. So, after two such profitable positions, you already have $600 profit. But that's not all. In fact, our goal is $10,000 profit. If you want to trade exactly like this, you'll make money. Only at a certain moment you'll find out that you can't open buy and sell positions very often. If you want to apply this strategy full time, you'll want to be able to open at least 3 positions a day. To be able to do that, we're going to make the strategy a bit more difficult. This will ensure that you'll be able to open at least 3 positions every day. Before we start doing that, you should of course know where you as a beginner will be able to trade on a safe platform. I myself always use the exchange Bybit because it's a reliable platform. As you can see, I have on this account almost $14,000 with which I trade, and I would never do that if I didn't trust the platform. With this amount, I can easily open buy and sell positions in over 150 cryptocurrencies. In addition, I can use leverage up to 100 times. This means that my positions can close in profit and loss up to 100 times faster. So with this feature, you can grow a small asset quickly. You can also use a 4 prize layout to keep an eye on multiple prizes at the same time. You have many more features that you can make use of. If you also want to trade on this platform, then you can visit Bybit via the link below this video. Good. So, as you can understand, by trading on the right platform, you can already analyze multiple prices at the same time in order to open even more buy and sell positions. But that's not what I mean by making the strategy more difficult. Many people think that there is only one way to trade with support and resistance levels. But I have another way that you can use. This is a way after which we open a position when the price falls below a support level, but then rises over it and makes a retest. Let's look at the screen and plot our support level. I see here now only one support level. I then wait until the price touches this support level. As you can see here, the price touches the support level, and so we can open a buy position. But what we soon see is that the support level doesn't hold, and so we have a losing position. And here comes the trick. We can wait until the price rises back over the support level, and then once again descends towards this level. Many people think that when a support level is broken through, you can't use it again as a support level. But that is true. We can now just open another position which will close in profit. So, if you always keep an eye on the support levels, which have been on the price before, but have only been broken through once, you can open many more positions than you think. In a falling market, it also works like this. We first draw out the resistance levels. I see one at the moment. We then wait until it's hit. We see that the resistance level is immediately broken, so we cannot open a position. However, if we wait for a while, we see that the price again drops below the resistance level and then rises again and does touch the resistance level correctly this time. So at this point, we can still open a sell position. If we let the position run, you will see that it's still closed in profit. So while you should not have opened a position, you have instead opened a profitable position. If you trade this way, you will see that you can open a buy or sell position much more often. Finally, we can make use of trend lines. These are also support or resistance levels, only more ascending or descending. Here on the screen, we can clearly see that we are moving above the smooth moving average. So we can look for support levels. If we look closely at the price, you can see that we can draw an ascending support level. As soon as the price touches this level again, we can also open a buying position. This also became a profitable position. If you look closely, you can then draw a normal support level again. Then you do the same as what I explained during this video. You wait until the price drops and you open a buying position. In this way, you can once again open many more buy and sell positions than if you just execute the traditional support and resistance strategy. These were the ways you can trade with support and resistance. If you trade this way and keep an eye on, say, 4 prices at the same time, I can assure you that you can open an average of 3 positions per day. This strategy has about a 70% win rate. This means that one of the 3 positions you will open will close in loss, but the other 2 in profit. This will mean that if you risk $100 per position, you will earn $500 per day. So if you trade 5 days a week, that means $10,000 a month. If you don't want to analyze yourself and, for example, only want to receive a notification when it's a good time to buy or sell, then you can use our premium service. Here, we tell you when is the best time to buy or sell. More information can be found on the website. I want to thank you for looking, and I would like to see you next time.